Hi, friends, how are you doing? I did take a break and I am back again for you, for the listeners who always come on Wednesday to hear me out. So, today will be a little interesting. Today, we'll talk about stories. We'll talk about stories of a community and love actually, which मैं चलाती हूँ. I have started a new page. It's called the Human Saga, where we talk about stories of inspirational people that can be common people, not necessary कि उनको famous होना ज़रूरी है. Everyone has done something amazing, is doing something amazing, fighting battles, struggles of life, emotional, physical. So we talk about them. We talk about our unsung heroes. So we dedicate this day, dedicate this show to the unsung heroes, which I have put up, and I will talk about it, once every time जब भी एक स्टोरी आएगी मैं ज़रूर बात करूँगी. आज हम बात करेंगे एक डॉक्टर की. ये डॉक्टर आई है हमारे रेडियो पे कोविड के टाइम एंड और मैं बोलूँगी ऑफ कोर्स. सो ये डॉक्टर बहुत फेमस डॉक्टर है. मेरे लिए तो बहुत फेमस है बिकॉज ह्यूमैनिटी वाइज शी रैंक्स टॉप. She has been working non-stop till today for patients, for COVID, for non-COVID, for people who just randomly message her कि क्या करूँ मैं. So we hear her story today and we'll hear one more after that. So come back, we'll hear the song and we'll start our first story. हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक. जैसे मैंने बोला था This is gonna be musical, inspirational stories with good songs. हम तो बॉलीवुड के दीवाने हैं तो I'm back again with some Bollywood music and we hear some inspiration stories today. So first stop, what we do is we talk about this amazing lady जो हमारे रेडियो पर आई थी और बहुत शाय है, पर मैं खींच के लेके आई बिकॉज आई थिंक अनसंग हीरोज का स्टोरी जाना और इंस्पिरेशनल होता है. नो डाउट जो हीरोज हैं दे आर हीरोज, बट व्हाट अबाउट समवन हु इज डूइंग अमेजिंग वर्क बट कभी अपने बारे में गुरूर नहीं किया है. So this story is dedicated. I mean, today is we dedicate two stories to someone who is amazing, who is doing amazing work in their own line, or for me they are something next level. So today we speak about this amazing lady called Rupinder Kaur. Yes, guys, I know who are my regular listeners. They know who is Rupinder Kaur, and तो ये जब भी मैंने ह्यूमन सागा चालू किया था, आई डिसाइडेड दैट आई विल टेक स्टोरीज विच आर now I'll not say unheard because Rupinder is also all over the town, but someone who is doing amazing real work, and it's a right to talk about them यार. उनका जर्नी सुनना, इंस्पायर होना, एस्पायर करना, ये तो आई थिंक एक मीडियम, मेरे मीडियम से होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. सो गाइज बिफोर वी स्टार्ट प्लीज़ सब फॉलो कीजिए ह्यूमन सागा. तो मैं स्पेलिंग बताती हूँ. द इज THE, ह्यूमन HUMAN, सागा SAGA. इंस्टाग्राम पर भी है हम फेसबुक पर भी है. वी जस्ट स्टार्टेड अप गाइज. शो सम लव टू आवर पेज एंड हियर सम अमेजिंग स्टोरीज, बट ऑल्सो व्हाई डोंट यू ऑल पिंग मी, as I said, on my personal or maybe on Human Saga also, and send me your stories. Let me hear you all. So guys, as I was saying, we are going to talk about this amazing lady Rupinder, are you listening to me today? So this half I can say half program is dedicated to you and half program is dedicated to someone special more. So Rupinder, who is Rupinder now, guys? So Rupinder Kaur, we call her Dr. Rupinder Kaur, is an Ayurvedic physician by profession and a medical officer जो काम करती है गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल में. अभी from past 10 years she's been working non-stop for the patients. So what I'm going to say is she is a doctor with a big heart. And you can connect to her anytime, and she's a selfless lady. जब मैं बीमार पड़ी थी, I disappeared जो एक दो हफ्ता because I was not well. So my husband and we fell sick. Thank God it was not COVID. Vaccination guys सब लगाना है सबको, and please take care of yourself because life is important. So when I was suffering through viral, there was one lady who stood beside me virtually क्यों बोलूँगी, क्योंकि वो तो पंजाब में रहती है और मैं बॉम्बे में, बट नॉन स्टॉप ये लड़की ने मेरा ध्यान दिया, राज का भी ध्यान दिया, ये खिला वो खिला, मल्टीविटामिन्स की दवाई जो लेनी है मेरे को अभी तक, वो पहले से बोलती आ रही थी, बट मैं कभी क्या सुनना, ह्यूमन नेचर, वी डोंट लिसन, राइट. So saying that she took care of us, and today I'm back on the radio, guys. थोड़ा सर्दी है, वो तो होता है, अभी क्या करें, क्लाइमेट चेंज. बॉम्बे में विसर्जन के बाद तो बारिश आना ही है विसर्जन के दिन. सो Rupinder is been working from last 10 years non-stop. So हमारी डॉक्टर को पोलियो है, but that does not stop her working day in and day out. जब हम सोते हैं वो जागती है. So guys, she is someone so beautiful by heart, so selfless. We'll hear more about her likings, about her special day, and let's hear something more about her story. So we'll be back after this song. Don't go away because Rupinder Kaur is here to stay.
धोता सुखाता सारे ऑर्डर बजाता तभी तो फौजी कहलाता परेड थम
So guys, how was the song? Beautiful, right? I'm back again, radio. Thank you, Radio Udan. You all been so amazing. When I was at the gap because मैं बीमार थी, viral था. So as Radio Udan is a very big family and you listeners have always showed love to me. Thank you again, listeners, for थोड़ा patient रखकर मैं वापस से आ गई हूँ and I'm not going away. And let's see, मैं तो अभी इंस्पिरेशनल स्टोरीज बोलूँगी. सो गाइज प्लीज फॉलो द ह्यूमन सागा. लव एक्चुअली का है एक एक्सटेंडेड आर्म एंड जिसकी स्टोरी इंस्पिरेशन हो प्लीज पोक मी. आई विल बी हियर टू लिसन एंड टू वॉइस आउट टू. So when we talk about Rupinder, we all hear, we all think, we all know that she is the one to be there to help people. कोविड के टाइम जब भी हमारी डॉक्टर वाज फेसिंग हर सेल्फ कोविड, तो उनको 2 टाइम कोविड हुआ था गाइज. 103 बुखार में शी वाज सिटिंग एट होम एंड ऑफ कोर्स क्योंकि जा नहीं सकते थे एंड एज अ डॉक्टर हर ड्यूटी डिड नॉट स्टॉप. सो शी स्टार्टेड हेल्पिंग अस वर्चुअली. तो हमारे पास ना एक व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप्स होता था जहाँ पे हम कोविड पेशेंट्स की हेल्प करते थे. Whether it's cylinder, whether it's blood, whether it's etc, hospitals ढूंढना. तो उसमें रुपेंदर was very active. I think is also, अभी भी ज़रूरत पड़े तो. एंड 103 बुखार में ये डॉक्टर हमें वर्चुअल हेल्प करती थी, चाहे वो दिन हो, रात हो, दोपहर हो, सुबह हो. So all I'm saying guys, ये लड़की she is God sent. She is someone who can help you any time of the day and be with you. It's not necessary कि उनका physical होना ज़रूरी है, but she will make sure that you become all right. जैसे मैंने I was not keeping well मैंने बोला था, तो नेक्स्ट डे बुखार के बाद, जैसे वायरल के बाद मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ डिनर पर गई थी. वो लड़की ने उधर पकड़ लिया. ये डॉक्टर मेरे को मैसेज करती है सेइंग दैट अभी तू ये पी कर वापस से बुखार हो जाएगा तुझे, वापस से दवाइयाँ खाएगी. सो गाइज आई मीन उनका मैसेज देखकर आई हैव अ स्माइल ऑन माई फेस बिकॉज आई नो देयर इज समवन हु केयर्स फॉर मी. I mean, there are many people. They are my friends, my family, but she, I think, has a special place in my heart. So, Rupinder, you are awesome. As I said, she's a doctor, virtual God sent doctor to us. So, when I was talking to her, guys, of course, जब भी हम बात कर रहे थे, उनकी आंखों में से एक अच्छा सा टिंकल आया जब मैंने पूछा, when was a day that made you super happy? Of course, her happiness comes when she serves the patients. वो खुद बोली कि I want to serve maximum patients. I want the patients to hear me. I want the patients to be disciplined. I want the patients to live. Perfect. That is, of course, a doctor's motto. But when I went personal, मैंने बोला ठीक है, आप डॉक्टर हो. Of course, you are a hero. Frontline heroes are always a hero, and they are heroes in the real sense. But when I said, tell me something about your life that changed. I mean, एक सपना होता है अपनी लाइफ का जो फुलफिल हुआ है. So guys, सपना उसका मतलब नहीं है कि घर बंगला गाड़ी. Of course, I mean, घर बंगला गाड़ी तो सबका सपना होता है, but it's not we don't balance it all with a materialistic thing. But of course, saying that, अगर मेरा सपना सोचोगे तो मैं तो बोलूँगी भाई साहब मेरे को वर्ली के सामने एक बड़ा सा घर चाहिए. Why not यार, live life once. When I asked her, of course, जब भी I said आप तो non materialistic person हो क्योंकि आप बहुत लोगों की सेवा करते हो. Tell me one materialistic dream you had which got fulfilled. So she said this. She said that it was 19th of Feb 2017. She remembers the date, guys. उनका सपना वो दिन पूरा हुआ जब भी उन्होंने खुद की गाड़ी में से ड्राइव किया. So she bought her own car, despite of her limitations, despite of her time limitations, because she's a doctor, etc. So that day was the day that she said that I became independent because I could drive my own car. It does sound small. I mean, some people like, so क्या हुआ, गाड़ी तो है. But guys, चाहे वो गाड़ी हो, चाहे वो फेवरेट खाना हो, चाहे वो अपना सपना का a dream job ho, it gets fulfilled. You have a different satisfaction, So saying that, she also said that, okay, being a non-materialistic person, she said that she cherishes the smile on their face, on people's face, and everyone who gets treated. And when they say yes, they feel better. मतलब जो भी पेशेंट्स आते हैं उनके पास और जब भी वो ट्रीट करती है उनको, तो जब भी वो स्माइल देखती है उनके चेहरे पर और बोलते हैं थैंक यू डॉक्टर, आपकी वजह से हम ठीक हुए, दैट इज़ अ डिफरेंट फीलिंग ऑल टुगेदर. एंड आई थिंक आई रिलेट टू हर बिकॉज आई फील इट, व्हेन समवन सेज, क्या होता है, थैंक यू एंड सॉरी हैव बिकम अ वेरी कमर्शियल वर्ड. जैसे पहले इंपॉर्टेंस आता था, अभी थैंक यू जो दिल से होता है ना, द अदर पर्सन फील्स इट लाइक यार कुछ तो किया है. I mean, of course, feels happy and moves on. I think that is life. I think that is pure and pious soul. So guys, with that note, let's hear one more song. We'll be back with her again.
जो दिल से लगे उसे कह दो हाय 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 हाय, जो दिल ना लगे उसे कह दो बाय 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 बाय. आने दो दिल में आ जाने दो, कह दो मुस्कुराहट को हाय 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 हाय. जाने दो दिल से चले जाने दो, कह दो घबराहट को बाय 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 बाय.
Love you जिंदगी
छुड़ा के मैं तेरा चल दूं मैं थोड़ी सी मूडी हूँ तू थोड़ी सी टेढ़ी है क्या खूब ये जोड़ी है तेरी मेरी आने दो दिल में आ जाने दो कह दो मुस्कुराहट को हाय 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 जाने दो दिल से चले जाने दो कह दो घबराहट को बाय 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 बाय
Love you zindagi, love you zindagi, love you zindagi, love me zindagi.
Hi guys, welcome back. Thank you so much, listeners, for coming back again and hearing Rupinder Kaur. She's interesting, right? So moving on, I wanted to dig in again. मैंने और पूछने की ज़रूरत की मतलब अच्छी की गाड़ी ले लिया अपने आप डॉक्टर भी हो बट एक चीज़ बताओ यार हैप्पीएस्ट मोमेंट क्या था सो शी ऑफ कोर्स मैं थोड़ा फोर्स किया वो बोल रही नहीं थी बट देन शी वांटेड टू टेल दिस she said that every moment of her life she loves to be happy and coming from a Punjabi family we Punjabis we love to laugh and we love to live so जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना we live to eat and eat to live जैसे हम हंसते हैं खाते हैं खिलाते हैं और आगे बढ़ते हैं but she had something that she wanted to speak out so when she was she is a it is an accomplishment the community will relate to this 8th February को जब भी उनकी सर्जरी हुई उसके बाद she could actually walk, she could live her life what she dreamt of. Of course, uske pehle, Rupinder comes from a very amazing family with one sister, who is, one sister, one brother. She has a Punjabi family, jaise maine bola, haste, khelte. So, but of course, being a person of disabled person, jo bolte hain, disability. So, she, of course, polio tha unko. मैं पोलियो था बोलूँगी because of course surgery हो गई now she can walk and she can talk and she can do her stuff but Rupinder को 8th of February was one of the happiest moment so guys when we speak about the happiest moment उनका एक dream है अगर कोई कर सकता है उनके लिए तो please I have promised her that I will help her to do that she is in love with King Khan Shah Rukh Khan So, I hope, Radio Udan, if you all are listening, अगर कुछ है शाहरुख के साथ, if we can get her to me, Shah Rukh Khan, oh my God, that day will be the bestest day of her life. So, I end up saying Rupinder Kaur is a doctor, is an amazing person. She is a very normal, very simple girl. Normal is a wrong word. A very simple person who lives to make people happy, who is looking forward to help people, however the situation comes in her life. Hats off, Rupinder. It's a blessing for love, actually, me. It's a blessing to me, I guess, to have a friend like you. when she left, before leaving, she said, which I'm going to be telling you that, she said that she would love to spread awareness among the general public. I believe, I agree with that, because of course, अभी awareness हो रही है, luckily हो रही है, but थोड़ा सा change of attitude होना बहुत ज़रूरी है able लोगों से. So, she says that she would love to spread awareness among general public, especially to change the way they see the PWD community. She does not like anyone showing pity on the community, which I respect and I agree to that, and see their ability than disability. Oh my God. Thank you so much. It's a very big word, very big line she said. So guys, this is Rupinder Kaur for you, and we'll come back again. Wait, there's one more story to talk about.
चुपके दो दिल मिल रहे हैं, मगर चुपके सबको हो रही है, हाँ सबको हो रही है खबर, चुपके ओ दो दिल मिल रहे हैं, मगर चुपके सांसों में बड़ी बेकरारी, आंखों में कई रत जगे, कभी कहीं लग जाए दिल तो कहीं फिर दिल ना लगे, अपना दिल में जरा थम लो जादू का मैं इसे नाम दो, जादू कर रहा है, जादू कर रहा है, असर चुपके दो दिल मिल रहे हैं, मगर चुपके ऐसे भोले बनकर है बैठे, जैसे कोई बात नहीं, सब कुछ नजर आ रहा है, दिन है ये रात नहीं, क्या है कुछ भी नहीं है अगर होठों पे है खामोशी, मगर बातें कर रही है, बातें कर रही है, नजर चुपके दो दिल मिल रहे हैं, मगर चुपके
आग लगने से पहले उठता है ऐसा धुआं, जैसा है इधर का नजारा ओ, वैसा ही उधर का समा। दिल में कैसी कसक सी जगी, दोनों जानिब बराबर लगी। देखो तो इधर से, देखो तो इधर से, उधर चुपके चुपके दो दिल मिल रहे हैं, मगर चुपके चुपके सबको हो रही है, हाँ सबको हो रही है खबर। चुपके चुपके हो दो दिल मिल रहे हैं, मगर चुपके चुपके। मगर चुपके चुपके, मगर चुपके चुपके, चुपके चुपके, हाँ हाँ चुपके चुपके।
Thank you guys for staying still and hearing some beautiful songs with some inspirational people around we talk today about. So the first story, of course, when we spoke about Dr. Rupender. The second story, I will talk about this amazing girl which hails from Maharashtra, and simple girl yet very strong-headed. She's been in Love Actually community बहुत टाइम से हमारे साथ है, हमारे साथ जुड़ी हुई है. अभी तो बहुत बड़ी फैमिली हो गई है, बट वो इनिशियल पीरियड में हमारे साथ से जुड़ी थी. So I wanted to take a story because, as I said, unsung hero can come even a person sitting beside you. Why to publish stories which are already published? Let's talk about stories which are not published or which are growing. I mean, let's give a pat on the back or applause to people who are good work. So guys, the next story we talk about this, as I said, this girl which hails from Maharashtra. Her name is Swapna. Swapna का मतलब होता है dream. And trust me, when I talk about her, she is a strong lady with I'd say more than a handful of dreams. And when I end up, I would really wish that her dream comes true. So she is Swapna, a girl with big dreams, born in a family with, of course, amazing parents, her mother, her father, and her brother. You know, I mean, she is a poet by nature, by passion, a blogger, and of course a teacher by profession. When I say teacher, so she is a very strict teacher, guys. मैंने इसको देखा है, मैंने इसको सुना है. So guys, I present to you this amazing girl from Maharashtra. Her name is Swapna. Swapna is a girl with big dreams, born to amazing family, mother, father, brother. And she's very close to her brother, by the way, who grew up being fond of languages. So she has a passion to learn languages. I'll tell you जो story मैं अभी बोलूँगी आपको, you will understand. She's an occasional poet, लिखती भी है मैडम, ब्लॉगर भी है भाई साहब, and she's a strict teacher by profession. When I say strict teachers, guys, but children love her and we love her too. So Swapna is a spina bifida. Swapna has spina bifida, but her disability has not come in the middle, because she's headstrong. She always strives to become independent, and always up to something very creative and adventurous. She's a very adventurous girl, by the way. When you get a chance to meet her, you will come to know she's all over the place. She's happy-go-lucky person. She's very knowledgeable, guys. And yes, when I say about German, she's amazing German teacher. So my husband and they are one of the most amazing German people I know. Jo Indian hai. But saying that, I move ahead. And so when I move ahead, when I'm speaking about Swapna, I say she loves kids and she loves handling them. She never dreamt of becoming a teacher. She's of course thankful to her parents who pushed her to go to Germany all by herself, guys. So when we talk about independent living, so she is one of the examples. So she went to Germany, she studied there, and of course the second thing, settling as a teacher. So disability has a lot of limitations. Of course, आप लोगों को पता है. Becoming a teacher is a very tough job. जैसे मैंने देखा है teachers are always standing, they're always there are some protocol जैसे teachers को होता है कि उनको खड़े रहकर पढ़ाना पड़ता है. And being a spina bifida patient, she faced it and I think hats off to Swapna when going to Germany all by herself, learning German language as a passion, and then becoming a teacher. All I would say, Swapna, you're doing an amazing job, inspiring lots of people, whether they're abled or a PWD community. I would say the two examples which I gave, जो story मैंने बताई है, आप लोग ने of course आपकी लाइफ में भी देखा होगा, आप अपने को भी. So everyone is here to inspire others. I believe everyone has a story. Every person has a tale to talk. So guys, why don't you come up, pinch me, poke me on Instagram and tell me about your stories, because I would like to hear them too, and maybe I will push it up on Human Saga and I will talk on radio too. So guys, today we spoke about two amazing ladies and we speak about real movement empowerment. So real empowerment comes here when you have limitations. Ho up now, when there's so many limitations around you and you face it, you strive hard to battle it off. Sitting at home talking बहुत अलग होता है. Going on the field and going with the battle and winning the battle is a different sense of satisfaction. So guys, these stories are dedicated to the real empowerment and women of today's age. So thank you Rupinder Kaur and thank you Swapna for believing in yourself and believing you can do anything in this world. Disability खाली एक शब्द है, आप able से भी ज़्यादा हो. So guys, kudos to you, and we end up this with a beautiful song. So guys, thank you so much for listening. And we come back again next week, same time. Love you all, and yes, I'll get some more stories to talk. Bye.
से एक पल